Okay, good morning, class. How are you today? I am Sir Enzo, and welcome to our language class. Okay, so today we are also going to have our video discussion, and the good thing about this is that you can always rewind, you can always rewatch this video if you need, and you can rewatch it if you don't if you didn't understand it the first time you have watched this video, or sometimes for the sake of review. So today we are going to talk about another topic, and without further ado, let's begin. So uh, just like what we have done last time, you can always pause the video if you are going to do something, or you can just watch it on the part where you have difficulty understanding it, or you can just pause the video if you want to read it or copy something, and I will pause it naman for you to have time to prepare. Okay, if you are going to read, or if there's something now you have to write. Okay, our topic for today is about compound words. So are you familiar with that? Are you familiar with compound words? If not, good. If yes, it's good also. Okay? Now, again, our topic is about compound words. Now, I am going to show you pictures, and you have to name each drawing or pictures. Okay, so what do you think is this? Correct, that's a basket. How about this one? What do you think is this? Right, that's a ball. Good. Next picture. Okay, so we have, what's this? What's this? It's a tooth. This one. Okay. I think this second picture is a bit hard for you, because I think this is not the latest picture of this one, but in our time, this is a picture of a paste. Paste is like a glue. Okay, so we have a tooth and we have a paste. How about this one? What do you think is this? This one, how about this? I know you know this. Right, that's a bed. How about this one? The whole picture, huh? Not just this one, because you can answer window. Eh. How about this one? The whole picture. What do you think is that? Right. It's a room, or that's a room. ROOM, room. So here are the words. So please read the following words. Okay, one, two, three, read. Basket plus ball equals basketball. Tooth plus paste equals toothpaste. Bed plus room is equal to bedroom. So we have here different words combined to form a new word. Now, what happens when we put together two words? Just like what I've said, when we add two words like basket and ball, tooth and paste, bed and room, we form a new word. Okay? So, when two small words can be put together to form a new word. So, okay, no? We can form a new word by putting two words together. Next. Now, that combined word is called a compound word. Okay? This new word is called compound word. What is it again? What is a compound word? A compound word is a combination of two words put together to form a new word. And that new word is called compound word. Is that clear? Again, if things are not clear or you don't understand uh, a point, you can just rewatch it or just pin the pin the watch button to the part where you don't understand it. Okay? Again, I repeat, a compound word is a combination of two words to form a new word. Okay? And the new word has an entirely different meaning. Okay, let me clarify this. When you combine two small words or two words, it will form an entire new word. So that means the new word doesn't have any relation to the two words that is being combined. Okay? Okay, so study the words and what words make up each word. So we have here storehouse, backyard, rice cake, and everyday. Okay, so I have colored the first word as red and the second one as house to show you that it is a combination of two different words. So here we have here storehouse. It is store plus house. The second one is backyard. Back plus yard. We also have rice cake. Rice plus cake. And the word everyday. Every plus day. Again, so we have here a set of combined words, and I have showed you the different words combined to form it, and I've colored the first word red and the second word as blue. Okay. So when you put the two words together, do they form a new word with different meaning? Is it? Yes, when we put two words together, they form a new word with its entire different meaning. Another example. So, have you seen a firefly? Okay. So, yung mga firefly, ito yung mga maliliit na insects that when you put them in a dark place, they will light up. They will I think their tail. I don't know what do we call that, but it's a lighting insect. Umiilaw siya. Okay. So far is basically a flame, and fly is an insect. But when we combine them together, fire and fly, it forms an insect. It forms a firefly, which is an insect which carries light with it. So like what I've said, it is a totally different word and meaning because when we combine fire and fly, a fly doesn't burn. Okay, but it it is a new, I mean, it is a name of an insect instead, another insect. Okay, another. So we have here book. Book is like we all know, is a reading material. A book is full of stories, full of information, and technically we read books, right? And another one is the store. The store is the place where you can buy. And I know some of you are buying their things at store. But when we combine book and store, it form a new word which is bookstore. Bookstore is a place that sells book. Okay? Okay, so before we proceed, if you have questions, you can just comment down in this video or in our Google Classroom. I will reply as soon as possible if you have questions. Okay? Okay, so let's have an activity, a short activity like a game. So there is a, let me put it here. Okay. So what we'll do is to form a compound word by putting together the names of the pictures. Again, what you're gonna do is to form a compound word by putting or combining together the names of the pictures. Are you ready? Okay, if you are ready, let's proceed. Okay, what can you see on the screen? So we have a ball and a pen. When we combine ball and pen, what word is formed? Okay, what is your answer? Okay, I will count 5 seconds before I tell you the answer. Okay, so this is the first one, and from the other, or from the next one, I will just count by 5 before I tell you the correct answer. Okay, okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ball plus pen is equal to ball pen. I hope your answer is right. If if your answer is right, very good. And if not, you have another. Okay, this one, the next one. So we have here a wheel and what they call this? A chair. Now, wheel plus chair is equal to, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the correct answer is wheelchair. Wheel plus chair is equal to wheelchair. What is a wheelchair, by the way? Do you know what is a wheelchair? Wheelchair, this is a kind of chair where you can you usually find this one at hospital because patients are usually put into this kind of chair for them to to travel easily. Okay, next one. How about this one? So we have here, what do you call this? A table. And what is this one? It's a cloth. Now, what word is formed when we put together table, the word table, and the word cloth? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I hope your answer is correct. The answer is tablecloth. Okay. So I know some of you are does have tablecloth at home. Okay. Next one. Oh, by the way, that's not a muscle. It's an arm. Okay, so we have an arm and a chair. What word is formed when we combine the word arm and chair? One, two, three, four, five. I forgot to count, sorry. Okay, so when we combine the word arm and chair, the word is, or the word form is armchair. All right. Okay, I think this is the last one. Okay, so we have the butter. Butter. It is tasty when we put it in a bread. And this one is a fly. We usually see fly in garbages. Okay, so what do we, what form is formed? What word is formed when we combine butter and fly? One, two, three, four, five. Okay, the word form is butterfly. Okay, I hope you have answered most of the activities correctly. And if not, please you watch the video or take the activity again for you to understand it. Now, the question is, what is a compound word? Okay, what is a compound word? A compound word is a combination of two words forming a new word. So we have two different words put together to form a new word with entire different meaning. And that word is called compound word. Did you get it? If you have questions about this topic, about our lesson for today, you can just comment down on our comment section. If not, you can just watch the video. And if not, you can just ask me. Just comment down at the comment section of this video or at our Google Classroom if you have questions. Okay, so again, a compound word is made up of two words put together to form a new word with different meaning. If you want to copy this, please copy this. And if not, you can just screenshot it or take a picture of it. It's up to you. Okay? You can just pause the video if you want to copy this. Okay, I will proceed. Okay, activity time. For your activity, just like what we are doing, please download the files in our Google Classroom and then upload it in the comment section or in our Google Classroom. Thank you for doing every activity that we have. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And for the parents who is guiding their children, thank you very much for your cooperation. This is impossible without your help. Thank you very much, parents. And I hope to talk to you soon for some changes and adjustments of our classes. Uh, I'm just waiting for Ma'am Leia's go signal to talk to you. And I hope everything is good and everything is well. If you have parents, if you have questions, just PM me or just comment down in our Google Classroom or just send me an email to notify me of your concerns. Okay po? Again, parents, thank you for thank you for helping us teachers during this time of adjustments and hardships. And again, for your activity, just download the following that is posted in our Google Classroom. And Thank you very much. Again, if you have a hard time understanding the lesson, you can just rewatch the video or pick the time or the part where where you are having a hard time understanding. If you want to retake the activity, it's okay. Understood? But again, then again, for your activity, for your written activity, just download the files uploaded on our Google Classroom. And for your long test, we are going to have your or take away or take home long test, and it will be given on Thursday. So please, parents, again, I need your help uh, in our long test. Please guide your children or your child in taking. Thank you very much. This is Sir Enzo, class dismissed.